Okay, it's Paul here. Now, I wanted to do an update this week. If you watched my video last week about taking my FTMO challenge, I said I was going to kind of do a weekly update and keep you guys in the picture as to exactly what's going on, wins, losses, lessons I've learned, all that kind of good stuff. So if you watched my video last week, you will know that at the back end of last week, I was 3% in profit. Now, I've not taken any trades this week. I've not seen anything. I'm only trading 3 pairs live, or 3 pairs live on the challenge. I've not seen anything that I wanted to trade this week. As I say, if you watch the last video, you'll know I'm trading the 4-hour time frame only. And obviously, I'm not going to get a ton of trades on the 4 hour, certainly only on 3 pairs. So I've not taken anything this week. I've got one that's potentially lining up. We'll see what happens with that over the rest of today and tomorrow. Today is Thursday, so obviously we've only got sort of a day and a half left of the trading week, so to speak. So I've got another pair that I'm testing, USD JPY, which is actually giving me very good results. I've got a good win rate and a good percentage gains on that over my testing over the last 4 years. I've just got to finish testing that, putting that into the journal and actually making sure that I want to trade that live. And if that's going to give me the results that I want, I will be looking to trade that on my challenge as from next week. So that's kind of where I'm up to with that. So there's not really too much going on. I've not seen anything else on the charts that I want to trade. As I say, I'm only trading 3 pairs, and I'm just going to keep testing more pairs. I've tested around 10 pairs up to now. I've got 4 or 5 that once I've entered into the journal, I will probably be trading live, and then I'll just keep testing. So obviously over the next few weeks, I will be adding more pairs into the challenge. But for now, we've just got 3 pairs, hopefully one going in next week. And we're still at 3%, so that gives us a nice cushion to trade, over the course of the challenge. It gives me sort of, 13% to play with. So we'll see what happens next week. So yeah, let me know if you like this kind of style of video, giving you an update of where I'm at over the next however many weeks it takes me to pass the challenge. I'm going to try and do these once a week, firstly to keep you guys updated, or firstly really to keep me accountable, secondly to keep you guys updated with what's going on. So let me know if you like this style of video, and make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you can obviously keep yourself updated with what's going on. And I look forward to talking with you next week in another video, and I'll let you know my week 2 updates if you like. So make sure you subscribed, and I'll talk to you next week.